Hi! In this video, you'll learn about 5 databases that are useful for counseling research and how to access these databases from the McCain Library website. There are 5 databases that students and faculty researching counseling issues will find most useful. PsycInfo is at the top of the list. It indexes articles from the best scholarly journals and news sources in the field of psychology and counseling. While users will find plenty of full-text articles in PsycInfo, what's beneficial about PsycInfo is that it also provides citations and abstracts for articles that might not be immediately available in PsycInfo, but are significant to the researcher's topic. Cochrane Reviews is a useful database for individuals getting started with a research topic, since it provides access to comprehensive literature reviews. A literature review outlines the significant themes of research within a field and describes the recent findings in each of those fields. Beginning a search with a literature review can save the researcher time. Unfortunately, Cochrane Reviews does not have literature reviews for all topics. However, it should only take a few minutes to browse through the topics list to determine if Cochrane Reviews will be a beneficial research tool. Please note that several other databases also offer access to literature reviews. For individuals who want to delve into biomedical aspects of counseling, PubMed is the tool to use. It is one of the most trusted tools of researchers in the fields of psychology, neuroscience, biology, and more. Plus, since PubMed is a tool offered by the National Library of Medicine, it is free to use. This means students will have access to this tool when they begin their practice as a counselor. Web of Science is an amazing comprehensive tool for searching the scientific literature. It does not contain the full text of any article, but it does have a linking feature that makes it easy to determine how to access the article found. The final database available through McCain Library that is noteworthy is Mental Measurements and Tests. When designing a research project or determining how to assess a patient, the researcher may need to create or access a test. Mental Measurements and Tests enables researchers to identify significant tests and read reviews about the validity of the test. While not all tests are listed, it is the first place to check whenever a test is needed. To access each of these databases, click on the Databases A to Z button on the library website. On the page that appears, select Counseling from the pull-down menu of Sources and click Search. A list of databases will appear. At the top is a Best Bets list of databases McCain Library staff believe will be the most beneficial to researchers as a starting point. Underneath Best Bets section are additional databases relevant to the field of counseling. A detailed description is provided underneath each database to help users determine which is right for their needs. That's it for now. There are many ways McCain Library can help you with your research, so please ask if you have any questions or are not sure how to get started.